Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to compress PDF here in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat Pro, just click the sign up option, and from here you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Compressing a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro is a simple process. You just have to follow these simple steps. Now, open again the Adobe Acrobat Pro and open the PDF file you want to compress. In my case, I'm going to use this file right here. Okay. Now, if you have any other file that you wanted to compress, you might want to click this option right here that says compress a PDF. Click on open, all right, and reduce your file size and control the image and font setting. Now click select a file. Here it is. Now here you have all of these options for you. You can reduce the file size in a single file right here, and you can save it to your computer, to Adobe Cloud Storage, and add a file storage if you wanted. So you have all these options. All right, let me cancel that. If you wanted to add the multiple files, obviously you can add documents to the list below. Press OK. All of the desired documents have been added. All right. You also have an option for the advanced optimization. All right. You see, you can use all these. If you wanted to dive deep into the scaling or downscaling, you might want to check the proportions or the internal values here. Let's say 300 ppi for images above 450. So you have all these and optimize the file. You can also optimize scan pages if you have that. All right, that is applicable to any scanned documents that you have here in this Adobe Acrobat Pro. You also have the pre-flight wherein if you click that, you see upgrading key features downloading. All right, but I'm gonna skip that for now because we don't need it. But if you want to reduce the file size, just click the single file right here, and I'm going to save in a recent folder, maybe this. All right, click this and it will be saved to that, and we'll be able to save the compressed PDF in no time. I'm gonna click on it and of course replace that. You see, doing this can significantly reduce their file size, which is especially useful when dealing with a large documents such as reports, presentation, or scanned images. It obviously can help free up storage space on your device or in cloud storage, especially for working with multiple projects within your client or within your organization. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.